Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to discuss about how to create a pages, how to design your pages by using Elementor plugin. So Elementor is on a page where you can design whatever the pages you want. So let's get started. Today let us discuss about Elementor. So till now, tell me how you used to design the website by using what you designed the website. Like you used themes, right? And you
Yes.
used some
Yeah,
plugins and all. Got it.
yes,
So now if you
yeah,
apply the theme, so the theme will be for complete like whole website, right? The design will be applicable for whole website, whatever the like pages or post you create, whatever the header image you use, and whatever the footer you optimize, so that completely will be applicable to your whole website, right? So uh, could you please mute now?
Yeah, ma'am. Sorry.
Yeah, no problem. And if you have any doubt, just unmute and ask. Right. So now what is this Elementor means? If you want to create any particular page, so you don't care about themes and all, so you would like to create a particular page. So at the time you can depend on this Elementor. Elementor is normally a page builder. Okay. So you can build a from page to page, whatever the page. Now let us say I want to show my home page as a very different page when compared to other pages. So I can go and edit my page, edit my home page, and I can build my home page. So this is what especially for the pages and post also you can design, and only with the help of Elementor. Now let us see how we can do this with the help of. Now if you can see Dizzy course is also done with the Elementor page builder only. Okay, now if you go with the premium themes are mainly available in builders. So it is very easy to use. Let me just go through that. So what is this Elementor actually? So Elementor is just a plugin. It is not a theme or anything. It is just a plugin. Okay. So we need to install this plugin in order to design any of the pages that you have. Uh, Tell me where I should go in order to install any plugin.
Design
So
in
go
what
to,
sense?
yeah, designing whatever
Anyway,
you want. Mhm.
anyway, we are doing it right. I mean, apart
Yeah.
from, I'm
So
just
now let us
asking.
say,
Mhm.
you'll understand the difference between Elementor design and then other designs. I'll show it.
Okay, thanks.
So what is the plugin name? Elementor.
It's just a one kind of plugin, Elementor. We do have a
Yes,
several
yes.
like this.
So we do have a several kinds of plugins, but this is was the original Elementor plugin. So
Oh,
again, for other users, you do have some Elementor, but there is a one original Elementor plugin. Yeah. So can you see this is the original Elementor plugin? You have to install this. Okay, now you can see here Elementor has been installed in our website. So now I already told you that we can design a particular pages. So can you design a particular pages or particular post with the help of themes? So no, we cannot. So we just directly get into this appearance and then customize it. So whatever we customize, that will be applicable to our whole website. So the main benefit of this Elementor is to create a particular pages. Okay. So now let us get into any one of the pages and try to edit with Elementor. Go to pages. Mm, okay. So earlier, when I open any kinds of pages or posts, have you ever noticed this kind of option? Noticed?
only edit page was there.
Yeah, this was not there.
This was not there. So once I install this element only, this option will be available for you. So now let us try to edit, right? So if you want to normally edit with the WordPress, you just need to write something over here. That's it. You cannot edit this. So when I have Elementor only, I can edit this particular page. Can you see now this is SMM is one page. I'm going to edit this page right now. So edit this. And whenever you want to get back to your WordPress editor, you can just easily get back to your WordPress editor. Okay, can you see now? So this is what my SMM page. This is how the Elementor. So left side you can see few widgets. So by using these options only we are going to create a page now. Okay. This is how the Elementor plugin looks like. The dashboard of Elementor plugin looks like, and these all the few widgets you can see. So whatever the widgets you want to add, you can just drag and drop here. That's it. And here you can see few options regarding this template. Okay, if you want to change the default colors, if you want to change the font, and if you want to change the theme style, you can just change it. And here you can see the bottom side how you want to show this. If you want to see in a responsive mode also, you can see now it is in a desktop mode. So see how it appears in a
Mhm.
tablet, and see how it appears in the mobile phone. So directly by seeing this responsive mode, you can just choose it what to put it in
Mhm.
the page or not. Okay, and here you can see history. So whatever the things you tried changing, you can directly see it here. Okay, if you have edited anything, so you can directly see the um in the history option. Next you can see here page layout. Can you see now? Title, what is this title?
SMM.
Why it is showing me SMS?
Page name, page name.
Page
Page
name.
name. Okay, can I edit now?
Okay. Element.
Chitra, you should have given me this yesterday itself. I mean, like, I started from scratch.
That is the reason I tell students after 4 to 3 days this element. You have to get practice with the themes also.
Yeah, that is most important.
Yes.
True, true, true.
What is
Even
this?
even we get themes that are like editable to a very lowest degree. I mean, like you can edit a lot of things in it.
Yes, yes, for few themes. And if you like that theme, you can go with the premium version also.
Mhm.
Yes, can you see now? Can I edit the top section again here? Can I edit the top section, and can I edit this logo, Dizzy codes, online digital marketing? Can I do those? All those
I don't think you
things?
can do because that's not part of the page.
Page, right? This is a part of a complete whole website. So you have to, if you want to change all those things, you have to get into the customize option again.
Mhm.
Okay. So then here status, like published, or now let us say you don't want to publish this page. So you can just put it in a draft also.
Mhm.
Okay, or else if you want to see it in a private, like only admin and editors can view this page, so not a customers or users won't able to see this page. So the status, you just need to choose a status. So okay, let me go with the published one. And if you want, you can choose a featured image also. What is this featured image? Can anyone tell me?
The image will display on the page
uh,
whichever we are editing.
Mm-hmm. So the featured image means this is an image for complete your blog. Okay.
Mhm.
So within the page also, or else within the in between of the content also, you can insert some images. So that image is different from this image. Featured image for means it is completely for your website. Okay. So now I'll show you. See here.
Can we edit block page also?
Yes, you can edit.
Okay. And the what was that?
Yeah, can you see here images? What is alt attribute? These are the featured images. Okay, so this is for whole your content. Now if I click this content, so if I want to insert any one of these images under the content also, I can put it. Okay, got it now? So in such a way, if you want to have any featured image, you can just use that image. Okay. Right, and then hide the title. So if you want to hide the title, you can just hide it here. And page layout.
Ma'am, this featured image thing, we also have this option when we are creating a post. Right side, one option is there.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes, you'll be having.
Mhm.
So mainly that option has to be there for post.
Yeah.
So why? Because we used to write lot of blogs by using post only, right?
Yeah, and pictures are very important in.
Very important.
Hmm.
And then here the page layout. Okay, let me click this drop down and see. Elementor full width.
Can we hide the calendar or disable for a single page?
Yeah. So that is with the page layout again.
Okay.
Can you see now?
Yeah.
So
Full page.
calendars and all. So again, you need to choose the page layout, how you want to show, whether you want to show the sidebars and all, or else not required. So you just need to choose. Okay, so these are the few basic options you need to know before creating anything. Now here can you see a plus icon and a template option. Okay, so if you want to add anything, you can just click on this plus icon. Click that, and here there are many variables here. So how many columns you want to add? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so you just need to choose an column option. Now let us say I want to add a 1. Right, so now can you see here? Right, so if you want to add anything within this column, so you have to use this dial pad option. Just click that. So if you click that, whatever the widgets it is allowing you to use, that will be available. You just need to use. Okay, what I want to use now, let me try to use the heading. So click that widget and hold on and drag it and drop. So now here you need to add a text. Okay, so directly you can add it here, or else left side you can see the particular options. Okay, so now this text options are available in the left side, so you can change the text. Right. So here again I can paste the link on. So what is the link option here? Link option.
URL.
Okay, so what I will do, I will give the complete URL of this. What happens now?
If we click, it will take you to the page, the
If
SEO.
yes, it will take you to this page. So that is the reason. If you want to redirect, you can just redirect, or else not required. Then size, so small or medium, you can just select it. Can you see now? So in such a way, you can just choose it. Okay, X large is fine. Now then HTML tag like H1 or H2. So in which heading you want to use this one, and then alignment. So right side or left side, you can just choose it. Right. So better I go with the center, right? So so again, if you want to make any changes with this text, like changing the color or changing the background color, again you need to choose this style option. Can you see the top 3, content and style and advanced? So just choose this style. Then text color. Okay, click this. And if you want to change the text color, you can just change it. Black, green, blue, right? Okay. Typography, then you can just select the typography of the text also. Click this drop down, like font.
If we
Okay.
want to add any fonts, is it possible?
So from your end?
Yes,
No. We have to use the only fonts it
predefined.
is. Yes.
Okay.
Can you see it is providing a lot of fonts, no?
Yes.
Yeah,
But
you can use.
if a company, they have their own font and they have their own color.
At that time, you can use the plugins.
Okay.
Okay, let me go with this. Oh, no. Much better. Okay. So if you want to increase the size again, you can just choose it. Okay, can you see there are a lot of options you can use it. Then weight, the weight of the text also. Can you notice the changes? Then transform, uppercase, lowercase, capitalize. So you can just choose it, lowercase or uppercase. Mm-hmm. Capitalize. Default is better. Okay, style again, normal, italic, oblique. Italic, oblique. Mm-hmm. Normal is fine with us. Then decoration. So underline, overline. So if you want to decorate the text, you can just simply use it. Just go through these options. You'll find out very interesting things. Better I know. I choose this default. And line height. Can you see the line height? So this is the
Can we
line
put a
height.
background image on this text, behind this text?
Yes, you can use it. You can use it. And here letter spacing. Can you see the letter spacing?
Yes.
Yes. So try to use each and every option, but never ever forget to update again. Okay. And then if you still wants to make any changes with this column, just go through that advanced and you can see margins. Can you notice? So you can change the margins and padding even.
What is padding?
So the distance between upper line and then lower line.
Okay.
Key. So just go through the top. See, you asked me the background, right? So here
Yes.
it is a background. So here you can enter. Okay, so black.
I think white is the best one.
Yes, always. Let me go with
There's the
this.
color font, black color, right? This font.
Yes, yes, true. So you can just choose a secondary color. Now here the secondary color is red, right? So if you still wants to change it, like green or blue, black, white, fine. So again, you just need to, if you want to like a type of the text, so radial, position, center, center, change. Border again, so border type, none as of now, solid, dotted, oh, dashed, roof. So if you want to have a, some border also, you can just choose the background and positioning with full width or inline width and custom. So go and choose some width also. Responsive again. So how you want to show and where you want to show again. So if you want to show this on a desktop, you can just show it, or else hide on desktop, you can hide it. Hide on tablet, you can hide it. So just choose it. So this is very, very interesting options. So for each and every column, you will find the content and then style and then advanced. Just go through that each and every option and create. Okay, now I have used to one text. So if you want to change some extra, like, if you want to add anything extra, so what you will do, again, you will drag and drop the options. Now let us say I want to add two columns now. So two columns. And then click on this widgets option. Now you can add whatever you want. So here, can you see the pro? So this widgets you cannot see. Why? Because you cannot use. Why? Because these are pro options. Okay. Let me try to add a one image. Okay. So again, you have to choose the image now. Okay. Do we have any images? Okay. Okay, now if you want to change the image size, you can just still change. Now as of now it is a large, right? So you can just choose thumbnail, medium. Can you see? So you can change the size of the image also, where you want to show, like alignment, left side, right side, or center. Then caption, if you want to add any caption for this image, you can just add a caption like writing the text and all. Then if you want to give a link back to any other web page or else any other blog post URL, you can just use that. Okay, when someone click on this image, they will redirect to that particular website or particular web page. So if you want to still make some changes with this image box, and you can go with the style option, image width. Okay, this is better. Right. And then still you can see border type and all. Border color also you can just choose it. Blue, black. So choose the background color. So border color also if you want. And just go to the advanced session, then you'll find a lot of options again. So if you want to change the motion effects, what is this motion effects? Like, animation, like fade in down. Okay, let me choose fade in down.
Something like in PowerPoint something.
Sorry?
We can do that features in PowerPoint, right?
Ah,
PowerPoint.
yes, true. So like zoom in, can you see? Zoom in, right? So kind of animations, you can just choose it. It was good, I think. So when page loads, so how you want to show these images? Okay, so it is just bouncing down as of now. Then update test. If you still want to change some background color, so you can just change it again. Now I want to add something here in this section. Okay, let me add kind of button now. Okay, so drag, drop it here. Okay, so now as of now again button. So button type is default here. Drop down. Okay, what is this? Where I'm getting this info, warning. Can you see the type? According to the type, the color is changing.
Mhm. Okay.
So you can just choose it. Then you can change the text color also. Text. Then link. So normally as it is a button, right? So definitely that will be a clickable thing. So I'll be redirecting to this page. Okay, then again alignment, choose alignment, center, right side, center, size small, medium, large, extra large, medium. Okay, then icon. So if you want to have an icon, so you can just choose the icon also. Which icon I have to choose now? Can I go with this? Okay, can you see now icon? So in such a way, if you want to remove the icon, you can just remove it, or else if you want to choose again, you can choose it. So icon position, as of now icon is before the text, right? So if you want to change that, you can just change it after. Can you see? Notice the changes. So the icon is after the text now. It's up to you again where you want to show. Then icon spacing, the space between icon and the text. Okay, choose it again. This is fine. Let's go with that style again. Okay, typography. If you want to change the style of a font, you can just change it. Size. According to the text, it is changing. Again, font. weight, transform. So you have to choose all these options. So line height, letter spacing. Got it? So next go to advanced and see what is there, motion effects and backgrounds, border and positioning. So Rafi, you asked me that how to use a background image, right? Can you see
Yes.
here? Background type here, color, and we have option of using image and we have option of using gradient color. So now for this we have used the background color as a white, right? So now if you want to use some image for this background, you can just use it.
Okay.
Can you see now?
Yes.
Yes. So in such a way you can use it. So position, right or left. So what position I'm changing now? The image position or else the button position?
Image is one.
Image position. So if you want to remove that image and go with the color, you can go with this. Let me go with the color, right? I already told you I'm not good at colors anyhow. Hmm. Black, okay. Black, fine, right? So in such a way, choose each and every option. Now, fine, update it. So you can add up, you can add a videos, you can add a divider, space, you can add a carousel images, you can add many things you can add. Just click this widgets option and you can try to add whatever the widget you feel like adding. Okay, so now I just added few things. Now let me add a one more thing like social icons.
Uh, Chitra, I had a doubt relating to videos.
Mm.
On some
Yes.
websites, we see when we open the website, we see the
Mm-hmm.
video automatically starts rather than
Yes.
clicking the play button. How does
Yes.
that happen? And
The
when we scroll down, that
mm.
video also comes along, like in a
Yes.
minimized case. So, how does that
Yes,
happen?
yes. So you try to use that video option, you'll get it. So whatever the doubt you asked me, the same you can do with the video option. So here we have option of choosing a videos. So just choose that video and you'll get to know.
Okay.
Okay, and here I'm just trying to use social share like Facebook, right? Now if I don't want a Facebook, can I use any other thing here? Mm-hmm. Simply choose the icon, right? Now I want to use some YouTube here. Got it, YouTube. Insert. So now which link I have to paste it here? YouTube link again.
YouTube.
YouTube link. So it's up to you again. Then color, custom color. So if you want to choose the colors of these icons, you can choose it. Can you see?
Mhm.
Or else by default, if you want to go, you can just go with by default colors. Official colors of YouTube, official colors of Twitter. Got it? Oh, I already have a YouTube. Huh? Okay, Twitter. Then if you want to change any icon, Tumblr, then YouTube here. Let me change WhatsApp. Okay, right. So if I want to add a still few more social icons, can I add? So I can add.
Yeah.
Right, click on add item. You can just add it. Now by default, this is the icon.
Hi
Just
ma'am,
change it.
hi everyone.
Hi.
Sorry ma'am, today I'm late because
Hi
I had
Ripo
some
Ripo. Hi hi.
Yes, hi.
How are you?
It's good. How about you?
I'm good. I'm good.
And did you check my website? Not.
No Ripo, you were absent, right? I'll check
Okay.
now. I'll check.
Okay, please.
So in such a way, I just use the icons and also again the shape of the icons, rounded, square, circle. Oh, square, circle. Can you see? It's up to you again. So circle is fine. Then alignment, left side, right side, or center. Center is fine. So now here, have I pasted any links of social medias now? Mm-hmm. How I pasted? Tell me.
No, no.
No, I haven't pasted. So you just need to, where you'll paste the links, where you'll paste the links. Ah,
Content.
yeah. Yes.
Acha, we have to click there and it will give us the options.
You have
Yeah.
to click, and here you'll find the link
Link
option.
option. Yeah.
There you have to simply copy your social media link and paste it here.
Mhm.
Okay, so, and if you want to make changes with this column, what you have to do, just go to style and advanced, change the background color, change the animations, and if you want to use the position, you can just use it. Okay, so video. So how we can use that video? Let us see. Can you see now? Video? Drop it. Okay. So who asked me this question?
Yeah, me, Asharya.
Usher, right? Okay. So see Usher, now it is asking me the options like, showing me the options like YouTube and Vimeo, Dailymotion. These are the some
Sure.
video platforms like YouTube. We do have a other alternative platform like Vimeo. And all. So where your video is hosted, you just need to give a link. Now let me give a link like, okay, copy. Let's go back. And then there I have to paste it. Can you see now? My thumbnail.
Okay.
Yeah, again specify a start time, so when you want to start the video, okay, so end time when you want to end the video also. You can you see autoplay?
Auto.
This is the option, you can choose it, autoplay. So if you want to mute, you can just mute it, so
Okay.
automatically it is playing. Can you see? So I don't want to play it automatically, so if you want to mute, you can just mute it. Got it? And if you want to make some changes with the background color of this video, you can just go with those background colors and all. So style, aspect ratio, 3.2, 1.1. Oh,
Mhm.
yeah. Can you see now? Yes. Then margin, and then
Ma'am, in YouTube, suppose
mm-hmm.
we have to enable the embedding option, right? Otherwise, these things won't come here, right?
So yes. So now I have to copy the video URL and paste it here.
Yeah, like in YouTube, we have an option like we can turn off the embedding thing. So if we turn
Mm-hmm.
off there, these videos won't play here, right?
No. So
Yeah.
normally, everyone will get this URL. Definitely, they should get a URL.
Yeah.
Right. So if you get the URL, now I have copied the embedded link. So embedded link means that will be like coding. Okay.
Okay.
Now everyone can
Mhm.
copy the link. Coding is different from a link, right?
Okay.
So the beginning of our website designing session, I have copied the link of the video, like me embedded the video code.
Yeah, yeah, yeah,
So
yeah, yeah.
while creating the HTML code,
Mm-hmm.
HTML website, I have used that embedded code. So that is
Right.
different from this link. So this
Okay.
link will be there definitely.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. So just go through that. Asher, cleared, right? Doubt.
Yeah, clear.
So now in such a way you can use whatever the platform, whatever the widget you want. Now you have a one more option with these elementaries here, templates. Can you see? So if you don't want to use that widgets option, and if you're not having any time to go with that options and all, you can use the by default template. So here predefined templates you can find out, so you can use it. So can you see? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And again, the thing which you are seeing like a GoPro, you have to purchase that one. So if you're for free and if you're for premium, so if you want to go with the blogs, so like particular blogs, you can create it. Can you see? So again,
This
your pro
plugin is
version.
like really great.
Yes, it is
Yeah.
very good. See, you have find these many options only with the free plugin. Free plugin. Just think if you go with the premium plugin, so how many options, how many features are available? So there are many features available.
Yeah,
Yeah, I have to
Okay.
like
update.
it's like very user friendly. Like we can
Yes,
just
user friendly. You can just drag and drop it. That's it.
yeah,
You don't need to write anything. You don't need to code
anything.
anything, right? It is very good. Okay.
Very good.
This page will be very useful for our home page. Actually, we can make it
Yes,
more
homepage
attractive.
more attractive rather than creating a with the
Hmm.
themes and all. You can happily install these Elementor and do it.
Because it will create a very good impression.
Sure.
Hmm.
So let me try to install one page. Can I go with this? Which one looks good? Okay, so insert it.
Can we make changes in these templates, minor changes?
Yes, yes, we can change. We can make lot of changes. So everything you can modify here with this template.
So we have to create our account. Okay.
Yes.
So you.
Thank God. Okay, so can you see again? I can change this. Start your free trial. This button, if I want to change, I can change it. So default, and then start your free trial. Demo, right? So again, you can choose it, giving a link or anything. So let me give a link of YouTube. So when someone click this book a demo, they will redirect to this YouTube video. Right. So again, size, medium, large. It's not changing. Icon. Got it? Right. Now let us say if you want to make some changes with complete column, what you will do? So I can make say changes with this inside column. So I want to change the thing with this column. How I can change it? Can you see here
Top
in
button,
this
yes.
dashboard
Click
edit
the
section? Yes, click that and you'll find the complete options. Okay, so like content width, the boxed, full width, column gap, no gap.
Mhm.
Okay, again, the changes what you want with the call with this column, you can just go ahead and change it. And style, background color, background image. As of now, this is a background image, right? So can I choose any other background image? I
Yeah.
can just choose. So if you want a color, you can just choose it. If you want some gradient, if you want a video also, you can choose it. Got it?
Mhm.
Yeah, just go ahead and choose it and position by default. So center, center, center left. So change it. Let us change it once. We'll see. Okay. Can you see now? Background image has changed. Okay. So if you want to have some border for your this column, you can have it. Solid, dotted, dashed. Got it? So in such a way you can change it and you can change. I want to delete this complete column. How I can delete? Delete this. That's it. Again. So if you want to have something in such a way, you can just choose it. Can you see? Just put a cursor and then you'll find the options of that column. Just put a cursor, you'll find the options. Can you see? So you can just have a good reviews also. So like, mention some good review and put some there, put your customer image, and also then it would be like a good review for you as well. So I just want to remove this. So let me remove this. Okay, let me remove this. Remove these. Okay. Can you see the location also you can add? Google Maps also you can add. Working hours. What is this? Let me click this edit option. Again, icon box. See now? Let me click this icon box and try to choose one icon. Insert. Noticing the changes. Can you see icon is changing? So again, view, default, stacked and framed. Stacked and framed. Okay, then shape, circle, square, then title and description.
How to change the location, please?
Just choose that option, that's it.
Okay.
Classroom, okay, let me go with this. Okay, and if you want to write some text, you can just write here. And the next one, just click on edit symbol, then you will find that options in the left side simply. Okay, the place has been changed. Okay, edit it. Icon box. If you want to change the text color and then background of this column, what you have to do? Go to style and advanced. Okay. Style. Icon. So now icon color is blue color. So if you want to change the icon color, you can just change. Oh, good, good. So if you use some gradients, you can just use the secondary color also. Then spacing between icon and the text, size of the icon, padding. Okay, so just choose it. Content, if you want to change the content color, and then you can just choose it. Now alignment is left side, right, center, right, just good. Center is fine. Vertical alignment, top, middle, bottom. Okay, middle is fine. So space between title and your text. Again, the color, if you want to change the colors, you can just change it. Red, pink, white is good. Again, typography, drop down. Many options for each and every column, for each and every title description you use, you can find a lot of options here. Then size of your title, weight, transform, style, decoration. So if you have a time, just go through that each and every option. It is very interesting. Right, so and if I want to make some changes with the descriptions and all, I can make it again. Right. So fine, Google Maps, you asked me Google Maps, right? Repo. So click on this edit
Yes.
symbol. Okay, so give your location simply. Can you see?
Yes.
Yes. Give your location and zoom. And then height. You can just change the height and all. Got it?
Okay, good.
Yeah. So then style. So many people are going with the kinds of Google Maps nowadays. It is very useful for the customers to find out your business is okay. So then go with this maps and all if you want. Now let us have some blocks also. Click this template, blocks. Facts. What about fax? Can I go with the fax? No. Okay, this is pro version anyhow. I won't be able to use it. Let me go with this fax. This is also fine. Have you ever noticed fax frequently asked
Yeah, ma'am.
questions?
Yeah.
Yes, yes. So you can use this kind of blogs as well. Okay, so now got it. So if you want to change anything, you can just still change it. Fac. Where I'm writing.
That is link.
Link. Okay, so what is this most frequently asked questions again? So can I change it again? So I can change it. If you want to make some changes with this text, you can still make it like size, medium. Oh, change the background color and text color. Right, so you know how to change the typographies and all. Then let me just try to edit these things. Can I edit this file? Okay, so click this and then right. And so if you still wants to add any media into this content, you can just add it. So if you want to edit, you can just edit
Now I have
it.
another question.
Yes.
Yes, already this page is automatic Google Map, but I need to create it manually. There is any
Sorry.
option in the I need to create it manually. There is any
Yeah.
option in Elementor?
Yes, yes. Go to widgets and you will find a free FAQ.
Okay.
Hmm. Where is that FAQ? Search
Then
if you
search.
want anything. Hmm. Mm-hmm. So fax is not available with
Not
your
available.
normal widgets, I think. So photo global, no. So you have to use these blocks again.
Okay.
But when you go with the pro version, it is available.
Okay.
So edit it. Okay, so still find out if you can see any more options with this. So what is this? Accordion. Can you see this? This option, we name it as accordion. Okay, let us find it out. Uh, can you see? Accordion.
Yes.
Ripu? Yes. So now go and
Yes.
then drop down here. That's it. Drop it. What is it? Click this and search for accordion. Yeah, drop this. Got it? Manually also you can do without having blocks also. So if you use a blocks, what happens? So it will be like already predefined options. It would be easy for you. Okay, and so if I wants to change some icons, I can just change it. Now what is my icon here? Where is the icon here? Can anyone tell me?
Right side, a small one.
Yes, this is right. So if you want to edit that icon, you can just edit it. All icons. Right. So active icon. What is this active icon and icon? Yeah. Okay. We'll try to choose one more icon now. Okay. So tell me, what is mean by active icon and then normal icon?
Active icon, I think it will have some kind of link.
So now let's see. If I put a cursor and if I'm trying to read the content with this accordion, so what does it mean? I'm active on that segment, right? So at that time it will show this icon.
Okay.
Go for others accordion, it will show others icon, other icon. So then change the style, border width. Title. So if you want to make some changes, background color, blue, black, good, color. Then next thing, active color. What is this color and active color again? You should understand now. Color and active color.
Hover it, the color will change.
Okay, let me try to use red now.
Yeah, it's changing the color.
Okay.
Yeah. Can you see now? If I click this, the color of this accordion is green. So now it is showing me red. Why? Because I'm
Like
active now.
Hoover,
Yes.
So see, normally the icon is also different, and if I click this, icon was showing me something. Got it? Right, in such a way, if you still wants to change icon color and all, you can just change it. So now active color of the icon is black. Color of the icon is black. Okay, let us go and make it like a white. Okay, see now difference. So now this is what my color of icon as well as the color of my text. If I click this, it was changing. So now active color of my icon is green color. Let me go with the blue or white. Can you see now again? Right? Again, you can just choose a spacing and all. Content. Now let's come to content. Content background. Blue, black, white, sky blue. Color. Color of a text. Typography. Size. Weight. Right. So our decoration, if you want to have some underlined kinds of thing, you can just choose. Line height. Letter spacing. Got it. So now I have chosen some accordion and tried changing this. So if you want to change anything, you can still change it. So can you see? This is what the icon and then text it up here. So if you click this and wants to edit, you can just edit it. Why it is changing? It's changing.
where is it?
So depends on the length again. So I have choose, oh, where it is, right. So we have choose the lens. Now if you want to edit this column, you can just edit it. Top, right? So now let me choose this column and then choose top. Getting my point?
Yes.
Evo. So now for each and every column, there are 3 types of editing. So you can edit this text, you can edit this column, and you can edit this section as well. Getting my point? So overall background you can edit, and this column background and this column sections you can edit, and this particular texts also you can edit it. Okay, so change the style and color of your border width, border color, black, blue, title. So title color is, title background is nothing. So if you want to have some background for your title, put it. Active color, color of your text. Active color is green, fine. Typography. Now this is what my kind of accordion. If I click this, this is what my active one. So in such a way, whatever you want, you can just edit it. Let me just close it now. So I just want to close it. I just want to close it. Yeah. So again, accordion. If I want to edit this thing, how I can edit? So if you want to edit the column, click here. If you want to edit the sections, use this. If you want to edit the complete background of the section, you can just choose this one. Got it now? If you want to add any more section, you can just add it here. What? Right. And okay, let me try to edit this accordion one. Why it is showing me some minus color? So when I click this only, it was showing me some text. Can you see? Noticed? I'm getting some disturbance, guys. Okay, so now this is what my accordion, and if I click this only, I'm able to see that the content. So if I want to edit the things, you can just edit it. Border width, right? Border width, then border color, black color, title, sky blue, then color of the text, black color, and active color. Let me go with the pink color. Then typography. Can you see now? So this is when I click this. And so padding and icon. So icon is alignment is now this start where you want to show the icon. Where it is showing, noticed? It is showing me right side and left side. Again, choose the color of that green color, active color, like red, spacing between icon and the text, and then content, background color, content, red, white, then color, then typography, choose it. So in such a way, I can use whatever I want. So if you want to have some reviews also, you can just add reviews also, same by choosing the options like widgets and all. Go ahead. And now what I have to do, just see the responsive mode, how it is appearing in the tablet. This is how it appears in your tablet and mobile phone. Can you see? So automatically it is taking as a mobile friendly only. You don't need to do anything. Got it? So it is very, very, very good plugin you have to use if you seriously running some business. Now update it. Okay, I have updated. Let us open the website. What is the website? Krishna. Where is this now? Yes, where is my template?
Homepage.
Click on home page.
This is what my home page. Mm-hmm. Where?
In SMM page, I think.
SMM.
So where it is?
Home maybe.
Mm-hmm. Yes,
In one of the
ma'am.
modules. Go to modules.
Very good. SMM, I have SMM here. Where it is?
Elementor.
Why it is showing me Elementor?
You changed it.
Yes,
Change
very
the
good.
title name. Yeah.
We changed the title, right? Yeah. Can you see now? Everything got changed. In such a way, if you want to design any particular pages, it is very helpful for you. Okay. So, and whatever the plugins I have told you yesterday to have, you can just put it in the sidebar. So if I want to show some sidebar, what I have to do?
Then go to the page, theme, appearance.
Okay. So I'm using now Elementor, right? The same procedure I have to use.
Sidebar
Can you
is in
see?
pages, right?
If I click this book a demo, where I'm redirecting?
To your ODMT page. Yes.
Yes, right. So in such a way, I give the URL somewhere, I think. Okay. Here, book a demo. So where I'm redirecting?
YouTube.
YouTube. So in such a wherever you want to redirect, you can just redirect. Now tell me, I asked you some question. What is that question? So if I want to change my layout, I want to show the sidebar, what I have to do?
Sidebar should
Edit
be
with elementary.
pages, themes, right?
There
Sorry, okay,
we
let
have
me
the option,
pause.
right?